Hi everyone, I hope you watched the previous video wherein I do the unboxing, explain the key features and show you the sample clips from the DDPAI Z50 dashcam. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step procedure on how to install the DDPAI Z50 dual channel dashcam. This applies to essentially any dual channel dashcam, so let's do this.
Guys, we'll do the installation part now. Now, for installing the rear cam, you're going to have to route the cable from the front camera. So what we are thinking is we'll route it through the side here. We'll take it through the side of the headliner and go all the way till the front passenger area, close to that cabin light unit. That's where we'll route the cable and keep it there, and it'll come all the way here and through this, and we'll bring it here to the rear. This is a trim removal tool, very useful for removing the clips. You can see these clips here, which is securing this headliner to the top. To remove it, what you need to do is to make space for it. Basically, you need to pull this gently. Once that's done, your headliner can be lowered like this.
Tuck in the cable in the gap between the headliner and the ceiling. Leave the connector end of the cable outside the headliner.
Okay. Now tuck into the beading.
Pull out the C-pillar trim at the top. I did so using bare hands without using the trim removal tool. Route the power cable and keep tucking it below the headliner. Keep tucking the cable beneath the headliner and take it along all the way from the C-pillar trim to the B-pillar trim. Continue routing the cable from the B-pillar trim area towards the front. Once the cable is pulled from the front of the headliner, replace the A-pillar trim back and seat the rubber weather beading properly without any uneven bumps. We routed the power cable for the front dash cam through the headliner and then onto the cabin light area and finally attached it using a cable tie. Now we will route it through the headliner area. Cable tied the power cable near the cabin light area so it won't come off now. Next up, pull out the A-pillar trim. You won't need the trim removal tool for this. It's very easy and comes off quickly. Attach the power cable to the existing cable using zip ties. If there was no cable in your car, use a good quality foam tape to attach it to the A-pillar. Use ample cable ties to secure the power cable. Don't cheap out. Cut the loose ends of the cable ties after attaching. Next, secure the A-pillar trim back. The clips located at the back of the trim must be properly aligned with the 3 holes on the A-pillar, and then just give it gentle dabs and the trim will secure itself. Pull out the weather beading. Route the cable from the bottom of the A-pillar towards the footwell area of the driver's side. Pull out the trim, tuck in the cable and secure the trim and the beading back.
So basically you have these two clips screw back M6.
We made a 10 mm.
So that finally completes the routing of the power cable at the front area. Now we need to install the rear camera. Just a heads up guys, before attaching the rear camera, see if you can do a mock attaching to the rear windshield. So the defogger lines on the rear windshield do not come in the field of vision of the camera, like in this screenshot.
Okay now? Once that's done, just tuck the remaining cable somewhere here.
Now let's install the front camera. Just a heads up guys, we wanted to install the camera in the dotted area of the windshield. Using the supplied electrostatic sticker failed as it peeled out and the camera fell down. So we stuck the camera directly to the windshield without the electrostatic sticker.
Take your time to install this because you'll only get one shot at this, otherwise you're going to have to sacrifice this stock mounting pad.
Let me click this. This is front. I'll click and get the back.
Nice.
Done.
Once the installation in the car is completed, install the DDPAI app on your phone from the Google Play Store or App Store. Connect to the camera using Wi-Fi and configure it using the default settings.